Alright, so what are we gonna do for this episode?
I was thinking you can run through the rain. And then moon our next door neighbors.
Yeah, not the second part, but I'll do the first part.
Okay, you ready? I want to see it. Let's go.
Okay.
What do you got in your pocket? Okay. What the heck?
10. Oh, crap. Here, hold this.
10 o'clock? Oh, the features are out.
That's loud.
Let's go.
You know you're supposed to run to get a better shot.
No, I'm good.
No.
I got my iPod.
And mine.
And yours.
Doesn't do anything.
Yeah, run.
I'm gonna run on the road.
What, Jeff? You can barely see anything? Come on, Jeff. Come back. Hey, shake the tree right there and get all wet. Shake the tree. Like that small tree right there. Right there. I can't see it. Shake it. Now shake that tree right there.
I'm miserable.
What are you doing now? Okay, now stand right there.
What?
Stand right there.
No.
You want to be a YouTube sensation?
Where's the rock?
Rock?
Where's the rock? Seriously.
I don't know. Start, they already passed us.
No. They're all two.
Okay, find the rock. Hurry up.
Or I could just throw the stick at him.
Find a rock. Jeff's trying to find a rock to throw at a car in the pouring rain. It's gonna be miserable. He's been running around. Oh my goodness, this is funny. Oh. Come on, get a rock. Get a rock. Do something, come on. Come on, Jeffy.
Can you find the rock?
Oh, you can find your own rock.
Dominoes.
That means let's go.
Yep. Inside.
Well, Jeff couldn't find a rock. So I guess this is a mission failure. But, you know.
Hey, the basketball's still under there.
Yeah, yesterday I left the basketball under there when we were playing around. When it was raining, nobody got it. So
Hiking stick.
get under there, Jeff. Go get the basketball. Get the basketball. You have to go under or through it. You have to go under or through it, Jeff. You have to grab it with your hands. Yeah.